This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making an Indonesian or Malaysian fried rice dish called seafood Nasi Goreng.
My Busy Daddy Cooks.
Nasi means rice and goreng means fry, so Nasi Goreng is fried rice. It can be as simple as frying rice with Sambal Belacan and topping it with a fried egg. Or it can be as extravagant as crab and lobster Nasi Goreng. So it's really up to you. The common ingredients are chicken, mutton and seafood. For me, I will use whatever meats that was left over from last night. Today we'll make a seafood version. We will be using 4 large prawns, a squid cut up into rings, 2 tablespoons of Sambal Belacan. You can pick some up from the supermarket or you can make it yourself. It's easy. I'll put the link to my Sambal Belacan recipe below. I also have a bunch of green vegetables, 2 shallots, 2 garlic, an egg, well actually 3 eggs as we'll be making 3 bowls of rice, about 3 bowls of rice, and Kecap manis or sweet soy sauce. Chop out the shallots and the garlic. We start by frying the egg. For a fried egg with a runny yolk, you need to use more oil over a medium heat. It's like poaching an egg in oil. Remove the excess oil and fry the shallots and garlic. Then the Sambal Belacan. Put in the prawns and squid and stir fry till it's about half cooked. Add in the vegetables. Now add in the rice. Do not use freshly cooked rice as it is too soft and fluffy for stir frying. Use yesterday's rice from the refrigerator. It's drier and it's harder. Break up the clumps of rice but don't mash it. Season with salt, pepper and 3 tablespoons of Kecap manis. It's customary to top this dish off with a fried egg. Seafood Nasi Goreng. Thanks for watching Busy Daddy Cooks. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. You may also want to check out some of my other quick and easy recipes.
Please subscribe to my daddy's channel.